Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited, well not unlimited, I'm just going to show you guys how to get honey really fast. So the first thing you want to do would be, like, this will only work if you're able to go to all of them. The first thing you're going to want to do is come here, and then you'd want to come all the way up here and then activate the blue booster, which will give you a bamboo food boost ×2. And then what you want to do would be, you'd want to go all the way up there and then go to the red bee base to get your second boost. And I think there's another boost somewhere here. And I'll pause and I'll find that one, unless I find it in the video. If you guys find anything, just comment down below and I'll also put the time, so I'll pause. Quick fact, I think you could get a star jelly, a star egg, by just, by defeating the werewolf. But if you want to get that will be really, really hard, because it's only like a 1% chance to get it. So, be right back. Wait, no, doesn't mind, I see it right there. So here is the base, and here's the red shield booster, and that'll give you a strawberry shield boost. Then if you want to, you could come up here, then you could glide. And I think that's the main reason why that is there. And if there's a secret in here, I think. Did I just see? Nope. You could also get the boost somewhere around here. Like we got the blue boost. We got the bamboo food boost and a strawberry food boost. So we're gonna get the boost again. But I think I have to reset, but I don't, the boost not gonna be there. So when I reset, boost gone. So let me pause the video real quickly, and I will be with you guys in a few minutes. I guess in responding for minutes. Okay. I'll wait to respond. Okay, I'll be right back. So, here we are at the blue field. So, there's actually a secret. You see that spot right there, that black spot right there? That's actually to a part where you could get royal jelly. I can't get up to it. Well, I can, but I don't want to right now. And that royal jelly that you see when you go to the bamboo field, that's the royal jelly. So you could either wait until you could get a hang glider to get it, because that's how I got it, kind of. Or wait, I have to wait 1 hour? Oh god. Okay. I'll silver hop, and then we will be right back. Okay, you guys, we are back in a new server. Wait, let me get the bees first. Then let me just pause so we can get to the red base. The red base, but first we're gonna go to the blue base, don't worry. So we'll be right back, so we take a few seconds. We're back, and we just got a boost. So I should stop the stairs. Off the stairs, I guess. Yeah, I think it's the one I yep. Well, I hope you learned how to do that. So, it's really easy. All you have to do is go to you have to go to the blue base to get the blue flower, the boost, and then you'd want to and then you'd want to go to the red, and then you'll get a strawberry boost. Go to the blue, you'll get you will get what was it again? Yeah, you'd get if you go to the red, you go to the red blueberry, the red bee base. You would get strawberry food boost. If you go to the blue bee base, you will get a bamboo food boost. So I hope you understand. Sorry that I kept on making that mistake. So see you guys next time on the next video.